Right, I want to tell you this, okay, I really do. So basically, I've had probably one of my best, I wouldn't say best weeks ever, because I used to make a lot of money trading binary. In fact, that's how I made most of my money. As you can see, Binary Destroyer, hence the name. Keep it original, my where it all started. But yeah, I've had a very good week on the charts. In fact, my own members will verify this. I have traded every single day for 2 months. Every single day. I'm not even joking you on this. Every single day. And I say this to everyone. There's no excuse. I am trading every single day right minute. So I just want to show you my results, okay? Which I'll show you in a minute, right? So what's this one here? So let me start off by the account that I'm trading at the minute. Okay, so there you go there. My account balance, I started a small trading account again. 4,300 quid. Okay, there's how much profits I've made so far. It says day, as you can see, scrolling up there. You get the idea, right? That's the account that I started today. This is the, okay, that's my EA account. Hold on, I'll show you my EA account. Not that I wanted to show you anyway. Okay, that is my EA account. Okay, these are the profits I made today. That is from Phoenix, if you're wondering, like, there you go there. I wonder, hold on, where's the month? Yeah, there's the month. Okay, so there you can see there all the results on the month from my EA. Don't know why I need to show you that, but I logged in on the wrong account. So here we go there, 140 grand. I still have the account, okay? I just haven't traded it because the account's in my a company's name, so I need to kind of speak to them about it because I don't want to keep making money. There you go there. There's all the account. Look, by the way, right, look how many trades, look, 39 grand for the week, but look how many trades on Bitcoin, look, Bitcoin, still Bitcoin. I literally hammered Bitcoin this weekend. Look how many trades I've took, right? Look, 39 grand for the week, right? But look how many trades I've took, look. There you go there. I'm going to show you how I did that, okay? Now, if we jump on the charts right now, I want to show you, hold on here. I want to show you all the trades that I took. I want to show you the results on Bitcoin at the weekend, right? So we're going to start off, is that Bitcoin here? Yeah, Bitcoin. So this was Bitcoin, look. Bitcoin weekend, what a weekend it's been trading Bitcoin. Some of the setups we took together in the Telegram group. 14 grand for Saturday and Sunday. Okay, you've got no excuse. Even I'm trading at the weekends. This was on Sunday, okay? If you scroll up now, you'll see all the trades that we took. There you go there. That was a sell. That was more buy. Again, here, these were the sells here. So you can see the actual sell. Everybody took it together. That's the sell. You can actually see the account balance growing. I was at 140. Watch it go down, right? 139. So we're going backwards, right? 5 grand. These are the trades. These were the buys just here. 139, these were the buys, more buys, you get the idea, okay? More buys again here. Everyone else is trading it, more sales for 137 grand, so you can see I'm going backwards. These were sales, more sell, go there, so this was me trading it. I want to show you Saturday night. Look, where's Saturday night? Look, beautiful. Look, everyone's trading it, right? It's nuts. What did I want to show you? I wanted to show you something. This was Saturday night, right? So Saturday night, I went out with to a Birmingham to a Christmas market, right? But I wanted to show you it because it was funny. Because I actually think about this, right? I just want you to understand this. I'm eating half-meter long sausages at a festival, okay? And I'm still trading. Look. I'm still taking trades, right? I'm still taking trades. So this was it, right? Look, this was it. 130 grand now. So see how I'm going backwards, right? Again, this was the Christmas market. This was me drinking beer. So I'm literally Saturday night, okay, with my girlfriend drinking beer at a Christmas market. And I'm still trading. Still trading 7 days a week. I haven't had a day off on the charts for 2 months. Talk about addiction, right? And it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Keeps going. More Bitcoins, 133. You get the idea, right? You get the idea, okay? Now, how did I do that? I'm going to show you a nice little hack on how to do that. So let's jump straight onto the charts. Okay, so I'm going to call this the hyper compound super growth Mogwai Reversal Strategy. Okay, so let me explain to you why I'm doing this. So as you'll know, well, you won't know, but you might know. Some of you might know. If you don't, you don't know. I took a 400 grand account to 150 grand. Okay. And when I got to 100 grand, I was doing 15 lots of trade. And I thought to myself, I don't really want to go any higher than 15 lots. Psychological reasons, I just feel comfortable with 15 lots. I don't want to start going into 20 lots, 30 lots, 50 lots. I quite like 15 lots. It's my comfort zone. So I thought to myself, how can I make more money on a setup without increasing my lot size? Well, the other option, I thought to myself, I'll increase my take profit. So if we look at the charts in front of me, instead of going for like a 1-to-1, I go for a 1-to-2. Okay, makes sense. I make more money on a setup. But then I thought, no, that is changing what already works for me. If I've gone from 400 quid to 100 grand, doing what I normally do, as in taking partials, moving my stop loss to break even, targeting the bottom of the zone, if that works, why would I want to change it? So I thought if I go for 1-to-2, no, I'm doing something that is outside of my comfort zone. So that's not going to work either, because what I already do already works. So why would I change it? So I thought there long and hard, and I was down the pub drinking a beer, and it came to me. Let me explain to you, right? So first of all, you have to be, if you're going to trade this, you have to master the Mogwai Reversal Strategy already. You already have to be successful with the Mogwai strategy, Mogwai Reversal Strategy already. You have to be confident that you can take winning trades with this strategy. Because let me explain to you, right? Money management does not make you money in trading. And anyone that tells you it does, they either are lying or they don't know what they're talking about. Because let me explain, right? It doesn't matter how good your money management is. Tight stop loss, wide stop loss, big take profit, martingales, moving stop losses to break even, 1-to-1s, 5-pip take profits, 1-to-10s, whatever, right? All of that doesn't matter if you can't pick winning trades in the first place. Okay, it all starts with winning trades. It's like a business. Your business, your product can be amazing, right? You can buy it cheap and you can sell it more expensive. You can have a good profit margin. But if you haven't got sales, you haven't got a business. If you can't pick winning trades, you're not going to make money. Fact. It doesn't matter what you do. Martingale, 1-to-10 risk rewards. If you're not going to win trades consistently, you're not going to make money. How do you win trades consistently? Have a simple strategy that you can confidently say, I can trade it. I can pick a trade with my strategy and it will be a winner. There should be, imagine this, 10 trades right in front of you. 6 of them win, 4 of them losses. You need to be able to comfortably say, I can pick 6 winning trades out of these 10. You can go, that will be a winner, that will be a winner, that will be a winner, and those 4 will be a loss. Done. That's where you need to be. Now, obviously, you're not going to always win. You will get losses, but that's where you need to be confident. So if you're going to trade this, you should already be successful with the Mogwai Reversal. What I'm showing you here won't make any difference to it at all. Okay? All it will do is maybe minimize some losses and give you bigger profits. But again, it's the setup itself. If the setup's going to lose, it's going to lose. If it's going to win, it's going to win. Okay? You can't change that whatever you do about it. Okay? So like I said, when I trade this strategy, obviously I'm confirming a trend. So trend down, pull back. Hold on, let me just mute the Telegram group because I'm going to do my head in. And you're going to be like, what's that bonging all the time, right? So let me just mute this Telegram group and I'm going to go over this setup here, okay? So as you can see here, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, beautiful sell. So as you can see here, typical trade. We didn't need to do anything about it. First trade, beautiful winner. Nice, as I normally would have done. I would have got a 1-to-1 out of this trade, to be honest with you. If you want to know exactly what I would have done, it would have been this, okay? Trade gone up like this there. Where's my alert? Bang. Okay, there's my alert. I would have put my stop loss out of the way. Okay, I would have targeted the bottom of the zone like that there. Probably a smaller stop loss. There you go there. As price comes down into profit, I start closing off partials on the way down. Okay, as it hits the bottom of the zone, I would close off more partials, perhaps move my stop loss to break even, and then I'd go target a 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, right? Managing the trade as it goes down. Okay, works perfect. Beautiful. Can't complain. However, I've noticed a little trick. Okay, and I want to show you this little trick, and I'm going to show you the advantages and disadvantages of why you should do this. Okay, well, there is no disadvantages really. You're just going to make more money. Right, let's go over a setup. Let's go over your USD because I took this with everyone. I took this with the members. Okay, I've already spoke to the members about this. Okay, so where was the trade? Hold on, I've got to find the trade. Was it Euro USD? Was it GP USD? Hold on. I've got to get my phone out. I can't even remember what it was. Give me a sec here. Right. Hold on. I've got to log into the different trading account. Oh, it's not that one. It's that one here, is it? Yeah, it was. There you go there. Euro USD. So it was Euro USD. So the Euro USD is the bottom. Right. It was that one. So Euro USD. It was buys. Okay. Here we go here. Right. Okay. So we didn't get an alert on this, but I want to explain to you, okay, I'll show you two setups with this. Okay, so as you can see, we're in the trading session, blah, 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 blah. We start to make, prices in an uptrend. And then all of a sudden, we get this setup just stop. Okay, ready? Voila, there's my magic alert. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a confirmation of an uptrend, obvious uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback to structure. As you can see here, right? So like usual, I take the trade, stop loss out of the way, target the top of the zone. No different whatsoever, okay? Now, let me explain something to you right here. Once you have confirmed the trend, because this is a trend trading strategy, which is really good, because most strategies out there are not trend trading strategies. They're normally reversal or counter trend or ranging strategies. Trend trading strategy. So if you've confirmed the trend, this is going into an uptrend, no matter what. Okay? But obviously our job is to get in on the pullback. Okay? So obviously here, we've got our pullback there. We've got our little alert. Bang. As you will see over and over time, they win. You've seen my results. Okay? Now, the thing is, right, if price was to come all the way down here and then go up, unfortunately, even though we got stopped out, this is still an uptrend. Okay? Which is annoying because we did lose the trade and, it carried on into an uptrend, which can be frustrating. Okay? That's why I always say get your stop loss out of the way to allow that. Okay? Now, what I do and what I noticed is if I just mark up the previous high and low in here, so this is a structure level just there. Okay, I'm going to mark another level just there, right? As you can see, that level just there. Okay, so I've now got two levels. Okay, I take my buy here, goes into a bit of profit. Oh no, okay, I'm going to get stopped out, right? As price stop. Now, I've been stopped out on this trade, right? And I want to show you exactly what I do. So I'm going to write it here. Okay, I'm going to write it here. So let's just say I'm taking three lots. So the first trade is 10 pips stop loss at one lot. Okay, so if I lose that trade, I've lost the trade. My second trade is 5 pips at 2 lots. So as you can see here, right, even though I've increased my lot size, I've lowered my stop loss. So 1 lot at 10 pips, 2 lots at 5 pip stop loss is the same risk, if that makes sense, okay? So even though I've increased my lot size, my risk stays the same because I halve my stop loss. So I take this trade here. I've been stopped out, okay? Now, what I do is when I get stopped out, or if I think I'm going to get stopped out, I will mark up the previous low there, and I will actually take another trade, right? Where's my little, I'll actually take another trade here, but I'll go for a 5 pip stop loss now. Now, why would I do this? Because I can actually get more risk reward out of this trade. And what happens? Look, right? I'll actually get more out of the trade. I actually made on that trade, okay, 16 pips. So I made a 1 to 3 back on a bigger lot size. Why would you do this? First of all, I'm entering with the trend at a better level. Okay, so I'm trading with the trend, or entering a trade with the trend at a better level. I'm also getting a better risk reward. Okay, so rather than going for like a 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, I could potentially, by just targeting the top of the high, can get a 1 to 4. So those are a lot of advantages with doing this. The disadvantages are I can lose more than 1%. So I can lose 2 or 3% on a trade. But it's all about risk reward, isn't it? Right? The more the risk, the bigger the reward should be. Right? There's no point having a big risk and then having a 5 pip take profit, because then the reward's tiny. Even though we're increasing the risk, well, we're not necessarily increasing the risk, but we're taking 2 trades, right? The reward is twice as bigger, because I'm not going for 1 to 1s or 1 to 2s. I'm going for 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s here. So if I give you an example of a trade, as you see here, it's still going up, right? Let me give you an example of a trade. Here's another example, right? Here's another example. Now, technically, this trade would have won anyway, so you don't really need to kind of do this here. But I'll just show you another example, right? So, price pulls back here. Now, as you can see, same again, we've got that trend confirmation there, a level of support, and we've got a level of structure just there. Let me just make this there. Right, there we go, just there, right? So as you can see, we have a trend down, we have a pullback, we have a trend down, we have a pullback. We're obviously going to get some sell there with the trend. Okay, right? So as price comes up, to here, bang, okay? Obviously, I would have got my little alert just there, okay? So let's say I take this trade with the trend. Absolutely fine, okay? Stop loss out of the way. Okay, so let's put a short position here. Let's put our stop loss out of the way. Let's go with 7 pip stop loss. And we'll target the bottom of the zone, which is going to be 10 pips. So way over a 1 to 1, right? Let's say, hypothetically, we are stupid and we lose this trade. Let's just say we lose this trade. I don't know how you can lose this trade, but let's just say we lose the trade, right? Price comes all the way back up now, right? Now, see here, as price comes up, I'm now going to take a sell at the top of the previous high. See the high here? Hold on. Low, high, low, high. So let's say I close this trade off before it stops me out, or it's stop loss, whatever, right? Let's just say we lose the trade. I take another trade. Hold on. I take another trade here, right at that resistance level, at the top of the high. And because of it, I will then go for, what was that, a 5 pip stop loss. I'll go for a 2 pip stop loss, a 3 pip stop loss. Go for a 3 pip stop loss, right? And then I can still target all the way back down here. So what's that? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's like a 1 to 6 or 1 to 6 on this trade. I'm entering at a better level, right? And a bigger lot size. So think about the amount of money I then make on this trade here when price comes down. See? And just to show you, if you actually look at my last trade, that's exactly what happened on Euro USD at the bottom. See Euro USD? Right? You can see I had the 2 losses and then the buy. Okay? Now, like I said, amazing, right? It's amazing. Even Mr. Mogwai himself, if I go to the Telegram group, Even Mr. Mogwai himself is like, yeah, Jamie, this is pretty cool. Let me show you here, right? Where's my, here we go, Mogwai Reversal Group. Here we go here, trading like Jamie Palmer now. This is, look, let's go over Euro USD. This is the trade that Mogwai took. He actually said to me, he called me a legend out of all people. Look at this one here, look. And this one. Where is it? Jamie, you little legend. But let me just show you another one, right? Aussie US dollar. Not that I even know what happened on this trade, right? Here's an example here, right? Watch this one. So same again, okay? You've got your high. You've got your low. Now, what's funny is I actually would have won this trade, okay? So even though Michael Austin wouldn't, because Michael Austin goes for a bigger take profit than me. But just show you, right? Look. Here's a good example, right? So obviously, like I said, you have to be confident that you can trade this strategy successfully, right? Because then you'll just compound the hell out of it. So as you can see, right? Where's my little setup just here, right? Here we go here, right? Ready? 3, 2, 1, stop. Ready? Bang, stop. So as you can see here, confirmation of a trend. Look, uptrend, pull back to structure, uptrend, pull back to structure. If you're wondering, by the way, why I haven't got an alert here and alert here, is because I've turned my B alerts off. The alerts has A alerts and B alerts, but I only use the A alerts. So for some reason, it felt like this was a B alert. But anyway, right, I take this trade. Okay, now I actually would have made money on this one, which is funny. Okay, so obviously stop loss out of the way. Okay, target the top of the zone like that there. Okay, now as price goes up, obviously I'm taking partials, on the way up, right? So we're literally halfway to take profit now. So I would be taking partials off the trade, moving stop losses to break even at that point. Michael Austin didn't, he took the loss. Okay, fair enough. So let's say as price comes down now and it breaks, I mean, I definitely would have took profit somewhere on this trade. As it comes down here, okay, I'm going to close this trade off now in a loss. So even though I've not got a full loss, I've closed it off maybe 80% of loss. And I think as long as we stay above somewhere around here, I will take a buy all the way back up. So what happens? Bang, just there actually, just at this low. You see this low just there, right? So same again, I'll mark it up. High, just there. Low is just there. So high, low, okay? High, low. So I will take a buy just there at the previous low. Now, because I went for a 7 pip stop loss and I got stopped out, but I didn't take the 7 pip loss. I took like a 5 pip loss because I closed it early. I re-enter this one at a 3 pip stop loss. Okay, so let's just go with, well, yeah, let's just go with 3.8 pips. Okay, and I can target the top of the zone, right? Hopefully I don't get stopped out on this one. Bang, look at that one. So that has now made me, what's that? 4, 8, 12, 1.3. So I've made a 3R on this trade on a bigger lot size. And what happens? Voila, look how high it goes flying. Look, you see? Amazing, amazing. Now again, why should you trade this? Well, first of all, it's up to you if you want to trade it. But obviously, you're going to get in at a better entry point. You can go for a higher risk reward. But the disadvantages are you will lose more money. So you only want to trade this if you can comfortably trade the Mogwai strategy successfully. Okay, if you can't trade the Mogwai strategy successfully, doing this isn't going to make you any money because you would take because if you can't select a winning trade, even though I would have made money on this trade, Michael Austin didn't. The trade's got to win in the first place. If you can't select winning trades, it's pointless, right? Do you know what I mean? Because like if you can't comfortably take 10 winning trades, if you can't take 10 trades and the majority of them be winners, then there's pointless doing this. It doesn't matter what you do, right? What money management you do. the number one rule of trading is be confident in your strategy. Keep it simple. Know what you're looking for. Knowing to being able to pick winning trades, right? So I'm going to leave it out there. I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer, and thank you for watching.